Hi, in this recording we will learn how to use subtotals to find out relationships between different fields in your table. So essentially I want to come up with something that look like this. You see we have subtotals and we're showing the relationship between the sale date and the amount. And so right now if you look at your table, you see that the sale date is not sorted well. It's random, as you can see. So if I want to show the relationship between the sale date and the amount, first you want to sort by the sale date. So we click here and want to sort oldest to newest. And you see the arrow pointing upward is telling you that you're sorting in ascending order from smallest to largest. Okay? So now we're getting closer, as you can see. And to apply subtotals, to add subtotals, you need to convert your table to a normal range of data. You see we have Table Tools Design tab. You want to convert your table to a range and click Yes. So now we have a normal range of data. It's not a table. You see Table Tools Design tab is no longer here. And then finally, to add your subtotals, you can go to the Data tab. Under Outline, you click on Subtotal. And so it says at each change in the sale date, you want to use the sum function by the amount field. And this is exactly what we have here. At each change in the sale date, we want to use the sum function by the amount field so that we know the total amount for each day. And that's what we call subtotals here. And if you want the summary to be below the data, just like we have here, we can leave this checked. It's up to you to check or uncheck that, but we can just leave it checked for now. Click OK here. And look, we have something that looks like this. So we know our daily totals, right? So June 1st, June 2nd, and that's what we call subtotals here. And if you pay attention to the top left corner here, we have different outline levels. So if I click on 1, for example, it collapses all the details and just shows me the grand total. If you click on 2, it shows me the daily totals without the details, the detailed transactions on each day. If you click 3, you see everything. If I click on 2, and let's say I want to compare June 3rd with June 10th, I can click on the plus here to expand June 3rd, click on the plus here to expand June 10th, and I can compare these two Saturdays individual transactions against each other. Of course, you can do other subtotals. So I can do, for example, subtotal by the business type or by the sales ID. If you click on subtotal again, you can remove all subtotals and simply go back to where you were. And if you want to sort by the sales ID to know, for example, the total sales for each person, each salesperson, you can sort by the sales ID first, then do the subtotal again, and then instead of choosing sale date, you can do sales ID, and you can do amount. So this is just a different scenario to use the subtotals.